Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Toshiba Combo 8-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven, a real kitchen game changer. This isn't just a microwave, it's a convection oven, broiler, air fryer, and more, all packed into one sleek design. If you've been looking for a space-saving, do-it-all appliance, this might just be it. First, let's talk about design. This microwave comes in a modern black stainless steel finish, which looks great in any kitchen setup. It's compact with a 1.0 cubic feet capacity, making it perfect for apartments, dorms, or smaller kitchens. The 12.4-inch position memory turntable ensures your dishes always return to the same spot for easy handling. Plus, the child lock feature adds peace of mind for families. Here's where it gets exciting: the 8-in-1 functionality. This appliance isn't limited to reheating. It combines microwave cooking, convection baking, broiling, air frying for healthier meals, odor removal mode to keep it fresh inside, and more, giving you flexibility without needing multiple devices. Imagine roasting chicken, baking cookies, or air frying fries, all from the same compact machine. Performance-wise, it delivers even heat distribution so your food cooks thoroughly. The air fry mode cuts down on oil while still giving you crispy results. The controls are straightforward with one-touch presets, so you don't need to fiddle with settings for common meals. And here's a bonus: the odor removal mode. No more lingering smells after cooking strong foods like fish or popcorn. That's a thoughtful touch. When it comes to everyday use, this microwave is all about convenience. It saves counter space by replacing several appliances. Cleanup is simple thanks to the removable turntable and easy-to-wipe interior. Whether you're reheating leftovers, baking a pizza, or making crispy wings, it adapts to whatever you need without crowding your kitchen. So, who's this microwave oven for? It's ideal for busy families, apartment living, college students, or anyone wanting maximum versatility in a small footprint. If you don't have space or budget for multiple appliances, this is an all-in-one solution. To wrap it up, the Toshiba 8-in-1 Combo Microwave Oven delivers style, convenience, and versatility in one package. From reheating to air frying, it does it all while saving you space and time. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd cook first in this oven. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.